Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Flask. Today we are going to learn how to use the MySQL database in the Flask in Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the package that is MySQL connector Python. So let's install this first. So let's go to the terminal and let's install this. Okay, so I need to make it pip 3 because of the Python. So it is downloading. Okay, the package is done. Let's moving to the next one. So this is the my app file code. So let me copy and add this. Okay, so basic connectivity you want to do with this one. Okay, so here you need to add the MySQL host. So here you can see that import MySQL connector, and the from the Flask you need Flask and the Justify. Okay, so here we have to mention the host, user, that is root, and the password you need to add the password. And here we have the test db, I suppose. Test db is there, so let me add the test db. Okay, and the MySQL we required. So here we have the user table, and here is the one record is there. Okay, so I think it will fetch the record. So the connection part, establish a connection to the MySQL database with the help of this. Now on the index, we have to declare the route with the app decorator, and then in the index, we have to connect the cursor. Here, select star from user and fetch all the data and close this one. In the JSON format, we have returned all the data. Let's save it and go to run this Flask run. Open the development server. Okay, so here you can see that there is one record. It is fetched over here. If I try to add one more record, then it will like this. So new item, I will add Rajnikant 67. Email, I will add the test 45 at the rate mailinator.com. Okay, save. Okay, when I try to reload this, two records should be there. I think should be like this. Okay, here you can see two records are there. So this is how you are able to, without SQL alchemy, you can do like this with the help of the MySQL connector. Okay, if you want to run the raw queries. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the coming series, we have to done with the REST APIs, with the CRUD API, you can say everything we have to make it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.